So the overall goal is to eliminate any manual sorting of mail as it comes into and then is delivered through the operation. The way it works is we have 7 proprietary optical character recognition engines. Those engines use the image, vote, and determine which is the best candidate for resolving the image, and then matches that against the address database for automated sortation. And what Posti has been able to do is significantly increase the level of automation, so reduce any manual sorting. And they've also been able to consolidate that into their sort centers using fewer people and more efficient processes and labor there in the sort centers. That means they've been able to take a lot of cost out of their mail operation. And so that's the primary goal, is make sure that everything stays within automation and reduce the cost of the mail delivery process. So there's a lot of opportunity with artificial intelligence, but there's also a lot of hype around artificial intelligence. We're using artificial intelligence in our automation enhancement program for Posti. So everything that those OCR engines does is then reviewed and used for self-learning. So it's constantly improving. It's constantly getting better at recognition, fixing mistakes. It gets input from the video coding system back to drive the machine learning engine that improves over time. That's just one example of how Escher is applying artificial intelligence. But as I look at where the biggest opportunity exists for postal organizations, it's really around using the things that are currently being used by other organizations in IT and back office processing and call centers and those sorts of things. For example, any postal organization in the world, 70% of their calls into their call center are "Where's my parcel?" That's an opportunity that's very well suited for an artificial intelligence solution. A bot that answers that question and brings customers through. It can scale up and scale down, so it's there when peak hits, it's there, and can scale down when you have less call volume coming through. That's just one example of it. It's something being used out in the world today in call centers everywhere that would be very applicable and have a sizable impact on the cost profile of a post call center. Using it in IT, HR, finance, call centers, those sorts of things, that's the right spot to start with artificial intelligence. Those overhyped solutions that are around kind of artificial intelligence optimization or those sorts of things, those are still evolving. They're not mature yet. More time should be spent on those things that are mature in artificial intelligence.